with your colleagues and with your employees.
Hold on, I have a question. I have a question. Simma.
Who got the keys to my bimmer? Well, wait a minute. I have a question.
Yeah.
I have a question. Sit down over there, sir.
Yeah.
Over there, sir. Sweet words aren't gonna do it. Thank you.
I'm telling you that. Are you looking very judges?
Respect.
Moses, who has got the keys to my bimmer?
By the way, there's a reason I love that.
But where are the keys,
yeah,
brother?
but I try to give you one time.
In your pocket?
No.
When that tune they make?
25 years ago.
Well, if you don't get it for 25 years, for some reason, I don't think
and I've known you for more than 25 years. What happened? What happened?
By the way, it's a reason I love that bridge in here, climb just a pass and this I say,
yeah, we just stop. That's how it goes.
What go on?
Well, back to school. Like
you are going back to school.
Thank you, sir.
If somebody ever tell me, say, yeah, put your car keys on there, problem in here.
They wouldn't allow me that when they're too tight. They wouldn't make me go up on the bus.
Beenie, were you a good student? You get beer trouble at school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Full stop.
All right, we don't have plenty of time. Tell me about Simma.
Yeah. Oh, the album, Simma. It's out right now, and I need everybody to go and get it. And if you're not buying it, stream it. Listen to it first and see if you want it in your collection. And yeah.
Virgin collab.
Yes.
Why? Why?
All right, it's not a why. The problem is, I try to hear myself sometimes. Somebody just want to hear somebody else with me.
Hey, that's it.
I'm so over
in a serious way, Moses, how you decide who you want and which one? How that works?
No, it works different because remember you have all different type of music. You have drill, you have hip-hop, you have all different type of music. Then you have all different type of artists. Yeah. So you have to choose from each and every individual.
So where do you do a song and say, no, man, I feel Bertis can work on that?
Ah, you see me, I say no. All right, it's like me, I go play a match now. I throw out a football and me, I say the ball didn't look good. Yeah. We're deep on different color. And yeah.
Why you name it Simma?
Simma. I never have not named Simma yet. People just call it saying, remember the song name, Who Am I?
The song is called Simma.
No.
Whether you like it or not.
The song is called Who Am I?
Yeah.
Just leave me alone. And then you now name Simma.
Yes!
You are Simma. So yeah, that's what I say now. For all the Simones in the world, the album is called Simma.
I'll take it.
I'll
take it. But I still want the keys.
Yeah. Every time we speak and I ask you, you say, yeah, how you feel about this one?
No, this one wicked. I feel great about this one because this one take time.
This one is how much number base? Number what?
Oh, 17. I think I 17.
17 album?
Yeah, album.
And it's better than the other 16?
They always come better than the last time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I always try to.
Yeah, I always do that. Trust me.
Tell me what the feedback has been like, Well,
the feedback has been great, like wonderful, and I really appreciate all the fans, all the well-wishers. Thank you very much for supporting the album so far. Just continue supporting it.
How long did it take you to put together?
All right. Remember when me made the album and my mother died?
Mm-hmm.
So all of that sadness and all of that, really, me decide to make back some different songs and put on the album.
I can see if your memory good. Tell me all of the collab them, everybody who on the album.
Then just wait, you don't remember.
We have Maya.
1.
And we have Shaggy.
2.
We have Sean Paul.
3.
We have Charlie Blacks.
4.
We have Louis Culture.
5.
We have, what's your name? Walking Trophy from New York. What's your name again? Oud Celebrity.
6.
We have,
let's go, Joe. Tell me.
Yeah, don't worry about it. We have many more.
Bungie Garlin.
Yeah, Bungie Garlin. We have Dexter Daps.
9.
We have Morgan Heritage.
10.
We have Gigs.
11.
We have a few more.
You know, say all of me and Sim. You know, all of me and Sim not on it.
Why you never do a Simma remix on the Simma album?
You better Simma. I better Simma.
Oh, that's the remix.
As a winner, as a king in the world, and we live in a...
Yeah. When are we shooting the video?
Simma. When we are shooting the video. When we are shooting your part.
Brother. Me.
When we are shoot your part.
Is that bully?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, bully.
I'm busy tomorrow. You have another day?
Yeah, I got things to do today.
I'm
always busy.
Oh my
So
God.
you feel good about this one?
Yes, this one is very, I feel very good about it.
It's on all the social
Yeah,
media.
it depends on every social media. It depends on Spotify. Now it depends on Apple Music and them sitting there. Just go look for it, man. And you'll find it.
Just go to the road.
Yeah, man.
Are you going to be doing a lot of touring?
Yeah, always. I'm
And when
on
you're
tour
playing
now.
this stock,
I
you're going to be
break.
doing... Oh, are you?
Yeah.
When you leave again?
Oh, one day, not this week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I saw Sanya Richard Ross running up and down and said, Simma.
Yeah.
The first time she did, a man go, huh? How you feel about
Yeah, well, that is great. That is the challenge.
it's a flat?
And yes, it's great. And then other people continue doing it. And then we say some other people are sing the song and some next people and some other people. Run our next part. Run our next part.
That sounds like my phone number.
Yeah,
Nah.
Your challenge, Simma.
Yeah.
Who's got the key to their Beenie?
I know so. Simma.
Who got the keys to the Pima? Oh my.
Speak
up. I will hear a try sing it. I say Simma. Tita tita kita. Yeah, and then,
Kim too?
yeah, then I say, and I say, God, who got the keys to the Bima? She said, that's what I said.
No.
One to the hand.
Oh.
My job over something and then I try break my fall, but I never realized I need a rubber when I break it.
So instead of breaking the fall, you break
So
the
last year
hand.
it was the foot. Now you're going, can we just stop?
Stop break things.
Yeah. Can we stop
I
breaking?
start break some glass and something.
Yeah, flung something and broke it, but no more body parts.
Yeah,
please.
no more
By
body.
the way, belated happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Great to see you, my brother.
Thank you very much.
All the very best with you.
I'm great to see you, Jamaica, and
Yeah.
thank you for having me. I just get up out of my bed, cause I pick them up for go to school, you know the thing go. So,
Yes, man.
blessings. That's
That's it.
Every time.